And San Diego College of Continuing Education announced a $35 million renovation grant to restore their historic theater. So the grant is all part of Governor Gavin Newsom's state budget and will go towards the school's educational cultural complex. The complex is where Coretta Scott King, the wife of the late Martin Luther King Jr., came to celebrate the first Martin Luther King Day in 1983. So the president of the San Diego College of Continuing Education tells us what this grant will mean for the community.
The San Diego College of Continuing Education has provided free higher education and workforce training to adults in San Diego since 1914. We have more than a 100-year heritage of opening doors into a world of possibilities for students who come from underrepresented ethnic and minority groups, including immigrants, refugees, and families seeking asylum. The state's generous funding received today will further that work.
A planning committee for the project will be formed this fall and is expected to be completed by 2024.